Welcome to the front of me Realme GT Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that just scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel. Just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe the dark dot to the right side, hold your finger, and by this way we can unmute our device ringtone. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first here click to the advanced settings and check here in ringtone volume, the ringtone volume to the if you got selected the media volume, switch it to the ringtone like in my case. And after that, just by using volume buttons we can also unmute our device ringtone. So just press the up volume button, and by this way, as can you see, we can do it successfully. And also you got the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that slide up this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.